Hey, it's Justice, Mr. 420, the host of the Cannibology Show and the host with all the smoke, here to give you some tips on the arena. This tutorial demonstrates how easy it is to stake the arena token and explains the staking and unstaking process within the arena platform. Why is this important? Well, let's use the banking system as an example. No matter how much money you have saved or directly deposited into your bank account, the average APY from any bank is between 0.22% and 0.59%. You could possibly get 5% APY from a high-yield savings account. Well, with the Arena token and the Arena social platform, you can get a higher APY by staking the Arena token that you own. Before May 19, 2025, the APY was 30%. And on May 19, 2025, it went down to 20%. Now, even though the APY is subject to change, the Arena platform is still giving a higher APY versus any bank or high-yield savings account. Warning: this is only a demonstration and nothing said or shown during this video is financial advice. How staking Arena tokens work. Stake your Arena tokens with no commitment and receive various ERC20 tokens as rewards, with the type of token changing over time. Rewards are allocated based on the current APY percentage and the amount of Arena stake at the time of distribution. A deposit fee in Arena tokens may apply, and at the time of this recording, it is 0%. So, let's get started. Once you are logged into your Arena account, on the left-hand side of the screen, you will see what is considered the main menu, where you have Home, Explore, Notifications, Live, Messages, Wallet, More, and Profile. Click on your Arena wallet, and towards the top in the purple banner, click where it says Arena Portal. On the next screen titled Arena Portal, you will see Claim and Buy, Vote, and Stake. Click on Stake. In the Stake section, you will see the top banner advertising Becoming an Arena Champion and to buy Arena. Under the top banner in purple, you will see the most current number of the amount of Arena tokens that has been staked by everyone who has staked Arena. Next, you will see where it shows the current APY percentage. Allow me to further explain how you receive the annual percentage yield, aka APY. Now, we know APY is the interest rate earned on an investment in 1 year. However, the Arena is not waiting to the end of the year to give you the return. Instead, they are giving the rewards weekly with a special formula. And I'll create a video breaking down how that formula actually works. The Arena rewards, which is basically the Arena token, is shown and temporarily housed at the bottom of the Arena Portal Stake section. I say temporarily housed because in order for it to be securely placed into your Arena wallet, you have to claim your rewards by clicking the Claim All option at the bottom of the Arena Portal Stake section. Remember, this is only a demonstration and nothing said or shown during this video is financial advice. I personally do not like to let my Arena rewards sit idle, so I either claim all and restake some or restake the rewards by clicking the Restake Rewards option next to the Claim All option. Now, to show you how to stake the Arena token, how to claim all of your current Arena rewards, and how to restake your current Arena rewards. In the Arena portal, in the Stake section, under where it shows the current APY percentage, you will see Stake and Unstake. Make sure the Stake section is selected. Right under the Stake section is the current balance of your unstaked Arena token that is stored in your Arena wallet. The section under the balance is where you will enter the amount of Arena you want to stake. If you want to stake all of your unstaked Arena that's in your Arena wallet, notice to the far right the word Max. And if you click Max, it will enter the total balance of Arena that is stored in your Arena wallet. Once you have entered in the amount of Arena you want to stake, right under that amount, the Stake Arena option should light up in orange. And if it does, click Stake Arena. You will get a notification at the top of the screen letting you know if the transaction went through successfully or not. If you have arena rewards at the bottom and you don't want to claim all of the rewards, you can restake all of it by simply clicking the Restake Rewards option to the right of the Claim All option. In this demonstration, I'm going to click Claim All so you can see how to claim all and restake some of your arena. As you can see in the video, after you click Claim All, the arena balance under the rewards section is now at a 0 balance and the total arena balance has increased. To stake arena tokens, you want to enter the amount of arena that you want to stake. Remember that if you want to stake all of it, you can easily do this by clicking Max to the far right. In this video, I'm going to enter a specific amount so you can see how the system works and calculates. So again, once you have entered in the amount of arena you want to stake, right under that section, the Stake Arena option should light up in orange, and if so, click Stake Arena. You will receive a notification at the top of the screen letting you know if the transaction went through successfully or not. As you can see in the video, my overall balance has decreased and my overall rewards next to your stake has increased. If you ever wanted to unstake your tokens, in the same section called Arena Portal under the Stake section, under where it shows the current APY percentage, to the right of the Stake option, you will see the option titled Unstake. Click Unstake. You will notice a slight difference because the balance under the Stake and Unstake option changes and shows the amount of arena tokens you have staked at that present moment. Same as staking an arena token, once you have entered in the amount that you want to unstake, the unstake button or icon will light up in the color orange, and if it does, and if you are for sure you want to unstake the amount of arena you've entered, then just simply click the orange button or icon titled Unstake Arena. At the top of the screen, you will also receive a notification letting you know that the transaction went through successfully or if it didn't. And you will also see that your stake balance has decreased. I hope this video helps everyone comprehend the staking and unstaking process in the arena. If you have any questions or concerns about this video, please do not hesitate to leave a comment or send me a message via Twitter, aka X, at JusticeMr420. If you found this video to be helpful and you're watching it on YouTube, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell for notifications on when I release new videos. Stay tuned for more videos and tips on the Arena Social.